Now, to wrap up on this image training session, I'll mention two final protocols that are good for image record keeping. The first is image annotation, and the second is the capturing of pictures of your images that are of interest. Now, with regard to image annotation, let's just double click on one image. What you'll do is select this green triangle in the bottom left-hand corner. And this will bring up all of the parameters associated with the capture of that particular image. And often, in fluorescence in particular, you'll want to go ahead and make note of the fluorescence excitation wavelength and emission filter that were used in the process of capturing the image. Click OK, and you'll see that they're mentioned down at the bottom of the image. In general, you should know that you can annotate with as many as 5 different parameters. With fluorescence, I will sometimes also add exposure time, excitation power, and binning, just to give a full portrayal of the important camera settings used for the fluorescent image. All right, so that's annotation. And now, as far as the capturing of pictures of your images go, this is also a very straightforward process. You go up to File, select Save Graphics, choose the folder where you'd like to have the pictures stored, and then you have the option to go ahead and give it a name and select a file type for the picture image. JPEG is crowd favorite. There are others as well. Click Save, and your files will now have been saved in a picture format that can be used for inserting into any kind of presentation.